Ever worried about big tech companies reading your prompts or restricting your access to AI? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build and host your own private, uncensored AI environment using Claudebot, so your data stays yours forever. This right here is my VPS, and as you can see, it's already up and running. So this means I've got my own private server that I fully control. Now, if I go inside the server, this is the terminal, this is where everything runs. I can execute commands directly on my machine, and everything is happening privately. Now, this is my self-hosted AI tool running on that VPS. I can give it a task like analyzing sensitive financial data, and the key thing here is none of this data is being sent to external APIs. Everything stays on my server. Now, to actually run something like this properly, you need a VPS. And the reason is simple. It gives you full control over your environment if you're using normal tools. Your data is going through third-party servers, but with a VPS, everything runs privately under your control. This is why platforms like Hostinger are so useful. You're getting high performance service powered by AMD processors and fast AMD storage. So it's not just private, it's also fast enough to handle AI workloads. If you want to set this up yourself, it's actually really simple. You just come here to the plan depending on how powerful you need it to be. For AI tools, I'd recommend going for something like this. Just so you've got enough performance. Then you go through checkout. This is where you can apply the code AI Daily to get 10% off yearly plans. Once your VPS is ready, deploying your AI tool is actually very straightforward. You can either use the built-in AI assistant or just run a simple setup command. So in this, I've put setup Claude environment, and it basically handles everything for you. Within a few minutes, you've got your AI running, fully private, fully controlled, and ready to use. And what it's done for me here is just showing me option A, which is one-click open Claw, or option B, which is manual on your VPS. It is that simple to get this going. With full root access, you have complete control over your server. So you can customize your AI environment exactly the way you want without any limitations. You also get automatic backups, including weekly backups and manual snapshots, giving you peace of mind that your data and custom setups are always protected. Take back control of your data and run your AI tools privately. Click the link at the top of the description and use code AI Daily at checkout to get 10% off your hosting a VPS plan.